Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 apps for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is called Caffeine, and prior of me showing what is it capable of, I'll go to the settings, display and brightness category, and here at the auto screen off, I wanted to show that the maximum value that we can set by the default is 30 minutes. So basically if you want to set up the screen timeout to never, that's when the Caffeine application steps in. So all that you got to do in order to execute it, just open up the app itself. At the timeout section, choose infinite value, and as long as the app is active and running, that will ultimately mean that your screen will not turn off automatically. The second app that we would highly recommend on adding, that is very useful app, that is called Unseen. It's basically an application that allows you to bind and link some of the chat apps, messengers to it, and all the messages that you got from those chat apps will be forwarded to this app itself, and you will be able to read them, read all the media files, all the text messages without the sender, without the actual sender of these messages seeing that those messages are read. So let's click on next. Here we are greeted with some of the explanation on how this app works and how you gotta use it. Here we can choose what messengers we will link from the start. In my case, I'll just go with the standard set of Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram. We'll gotta give the application the notification access, so choose Unseen, turn on the switch, click on Allow, and now you can get back. And in the app itself, the first tab that is called All, here you will be able to see the apps, the messages from all across the chat apps that you have linked to the Unseen application, and then you'll have the separate tab for each messenger that is connected to it. So that's the separate tab for the messages from the Facebook Messenger, the separate tab from the messages from the WhatsApp, and separate tab from the messages of the Instagram. There are also some settings that you can configure. For example, add or remove any of the chat apps that are linked. Configure the notifications, and etc. And the third and final app is called WTMP, or Who Touched My Phone. So let's go ahead and open it. Here we are also greeted with some of the explanations on how this app works, how this app should be used. So we'll click on next everywhere. Here, turn on this power button, OK, give the camera authorization, click on OK. And as you will see right now, after we'll give it the permit usage access as well. As you will see right now, this green button turns green, this power button turns green, which ultimately means that the app is active. And what this app does, it takes the photos from the selfie camera each time somebody is trying to unlock your phone or is able to unlock it. So for example, let's lock our smartphone. Here we are trying to do something. For example, if you have any pattern, PIN or unlock method, and the person who doesn't know it tried to access your phone but didn't succeed. And once we'll open up this app, we'll see that there are 2 entries at the journal. So first one, device not unlocked, and the photo is taken, and device is unlocked, and the photo is taken as well. And as you could see right now, the report will be completed once the device has been unlocked. And as you can see, the photo has been taken imperceptibly from the selfie camera. So it basically just allows you to see who touched your phone. That's what the app name stands for. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!